Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your Oyster card to Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. In the top right corner, tap the plus button to add a new card. From the list, select Travel Card or Oyster. Then tap Continue. Now, enter your Oyster card details. If you have a physical card, hold your iPhone near the card so it can read the information. You can also type the card number in manually. Once your details are added, tap Next, wait for verification, and your Oyster card will be added to Apple Pay. And that's it. That's how to add your Oyster card to Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.